Today we'll talk about how can you select download quality on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You click here on audio quality here, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to download quality, and here can you select your download quality here on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.